Hi, I'm Rich Driver here in Lake Jovita in Dade City, ICI Homes. Welcome to the Serena model. The Serena boasts 12-foot ceilings here in the hallway and all through the main body of the house. There are 2 bedrooms and a full bath here at the front quadrant of this house. And coming from the bedrooms, the hallway leads down into a flex room / study office, or it can be a 4th bedroom. And in this direction here is a half bath with the laundry room, which leads back into the garage, which is a 2-car with tandem. And in this direction, we come into the open living room, dining room combination with open kitchen. And then the home sits on the community park. The community park has a 1/3 of a mile track with workout stations along the way, playground, pickleball courts, 2 dog parks, small and large. And leading this direction takes us right into the master. Oversized master, tray ceiling, oversized bathroom, big shower, huge walk-in closet. So Serena is 2135 square feet. It's coming in at $649,900. See you later.